ডান রাইট?
হ্যাঁ।
গ্রেট, এটা অফ করে দিও, এটা হচ্ছে বিকালের দিকে চলে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? ওকে,
থ্যাংক ইউ ভাইয়া। Hello everyone, this is Abdullah Salim, a CSC undergrad and a general member of the NSU Finance Club. I joined the club to meet new people. To be honest, I was super introverted and I had never done any ECAs before. I knew a thing or two about designing from beforehand, but I never thought I was good enough. Designing the Eid post was the real turning point for me. It gave me a feel that I really was able to contribute to something special. That environment gave me the confidence. I always was the behind-the-scenes design guy, but the club trained me, and I ended up hosting the IMRC 2025 Grand Finale, a computer science major hosting the grand finale of a finance competition. That's what this club is all about. Now, I'm merging my worlds, being 1/3 of the developer team behind our new website, using my core CSS skills for my club. I went from being a designer to a host to a developer, all within this same arena. So no, you don't have to be a finance guru. Maybe you are an artist, a speaker, or a coder, just like me. Whatever your talent is, we have a place for it. Come find yours.